Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about a very beautiful event on 12th August 2022 at Parliament House, Islamabad under the auspices of the 75th anniversary celebration. It was our first visit to Parliament House, all thanks to our dear father who works there. We started at a museum where there is a huge map of Pakistan which is worth watching. A little further, there are statues of some of the illustrious politicians of political history which look quite realistic. After that, we saw a photo exhibition here. The great political figures of Pakistan's 75th year of history were shown. This exhibition was very informative. The most beautiful and prominent part of the event was the visit to the National Assembly Hall. It was a very good step by the present political leadership to expose the children to the political affairs of Pakistan. A significant number of children from some prominent schools of Islamabad participated in the event. We walked inside the Assembly Hall and saw the sitting area of the Speaker of the National Assembly, the Prime Minister and the Leader of the Opposition, during which we felt attuned to our political leadership. Our father told us to sit on the seats of the member and feel that you are the next generation who will sit on those seats. The change will only come when you are well aware of your responsibility towards the nation, your elders, contemporaries, and future generations. One has to protect oneself from the elements that create hatred and division and serve the country and the nation with love and unity. It was then that I remember Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah's advice to the youth. Development is being sought in every walk of life, and you have to take on this process of development. Are you preparing to take on tomorrow's responsibilities? Are you building your capacity? Are you trained enough? If no, then go and prepare yourself, because this is the time to prepare yourself for the future responsibilities. Children on the floor of the house also give speeches.
मजदूरी करते नजर आते हैं। फिर उनके आंसू पता है कि इस दौर में भी हम क्यों इन बच्चों के हाथों में किताबें और कलम नहीं पकड़ा सके। मैं एक बच्चा हूँ और इन बच्चों के लिए फिक्रमंद हूँ। आप सब हमारे बड़े हैं, यकीनन आप भी फिक्रमंद होंगे। इस मसले को हल करना हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है, खास तौर पर इस ऐवान की। जनाब स्पीकर, मजदूरी के बोझ तले दबे इन बच्चों की ज़हनी, इखलाकी और जिस्मानी नशोनुमा भी नहीं हो पाती। तालीम से इनको कोसों दूर कर दिया जाता है। ये बच्चे अपने मुस्तकबिल से बेखबर, बस अपने खानदान की कफालत में मगन रहते हैं।
After all the hustle and bustle, we also visited the Assembly Library, which was a very peaceful place and a treasure of knowledge. Friends, to watch similar and feature-packed videos, like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.